Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Atiya Parveen Abdul Haq and assistant teacher in Al Hira Urdu High School Busar. Dear students, today we are going to learn a poem of Unit 2, that is 2.3, The Twins. Let's open out your textbook, page number 58. In form and feature, face and limb, I grieve so like my brother, that folks got taking me for him, and each for one another. It puzzled all our kith and kin. It reached a fearful pitch. For one of us was born a twin, yet not a soul knew which. One day, to make the matter worse, before our names were fixed, as we were being washed by nurse, we got completely mixed. And thus, you see, by fate's decree, or rather nurse's whim, my brother John got christened me, and I got christened him. This fatal likeness even dogged my footsteps when at school, and I was always getting flogged. For John turned out a fool, I put this question fruitlessly to everyone I knew. What would you do if you were me, to prove that you were you? Our close resemblance turned the tide of my domestic life, for somehow my intended bride became my brother's wife. In fact, year after year, the same absurd mistakes went on. And when I died, the neighbors came and buried brother John. Dear students, The Twins. This poem is written by Henry Sambrook Leigh. The name of the poet is Henry Sambrook Leigh. In this poem, the poet tells what difficulties or problems could be faced by identical twins. One of the twins is the speaker of the poem, who describes how he got troubles throughout his life due to similar features of their likeness. Dear students, this poem is quite funny and light-hearted. It has 4 paragraphs, each of them having 8 lines. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, A, B, C, D, C, D. And the figure of speech which is used in this poem is alliteration, hyperbole and repetition. Dear students, the central idea of the poem is that how physical resemblance can create confusion amongst other people. It shows the problems faced not only by the twins but by their families and friends in identifying them. The poem particularly talks about one of the brothers that feels he is suffering from because of the resemblance with his twin. I hope you have understood the summary of the poem. अल्लाह हाफिज।